In this video, I explain Vizio Smart TV won't connect to Wi-Fi. We are going to show you how to fix your Vizio TV if it won't connect to your Wi-Fi. We are going to show you several methods for fixing this problem. Method 1. The first thing to try here is really the simplest. Just basically unplug your TV from the wall, wait about 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient, here wait for the 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. This will reset your TV. If it not clear the problem, then let's go on to the next try. Method 2. Unplug your router, wait for 60 seconds, plug it in back, wait for router to go online. It takes about 2 minutes. Test your TV to see if your Wi-Fi is working again. If it not clear the problem, then let's go on to the next try. Method 3. This will be the last thing. Usually will do the trick, but this is a factory reset. So we are gonna reset your TV. Go to menu button, then click on system, reset and admin, reset TV to factory defaults. This will definitely solve your problems. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.